is all around us, and the winds are blowing cooler. Autumn is my time to celebrate. I may be getting withered and moldy, but still strong enough to harvest your soul. You aren't afraid of little me, are you? Why, I love this time of year, with the dead leaves all around us. Would you care for a moonlight stroll? I've spent all summer scaring the crows away, and my crops have all been harvested. I have all the vegetables I need for a long winter, but now I'm looking for souls. Would you like to make a trade?